How to change Zillow account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on Zillow. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on device and in the search bar type in Zillow.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Zillow. Here you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account in order to change your password. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to hover your cursor over this agent hub, and from here, you will need to select account option. Once you click on account, you will be taken to the account page. Now, you will be able to see the password option. Simply click on this edit password option right next to the password, and then you will be presented with this interface. Now here, first of all, you will need to enter your old password. Make sure you remember it in order to change it. If in case you don't remember it, you will need to click on this forgot your password. Now if you remember the old password, simply enter it in this field. And once after entering your old password, now you will need to create a new password. Make sure your password doesn't match your old password. After entering your new password, in the third text box, you will need to enter your new password again in order to confirm. Once you have entered them, now click on this submit button. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully changed your password on your Zillow account. Now you will need to use this new password in order to log in to your account. So this is how you can change your Zillow account password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.